Alright, welcome to the late night show. Welcome to the Astra. I'm still Ahmed and I'll be your host today. So, this is basically a late night show that I want to record, like me coding, chilling, and that's pretty much it. So, you don't have to worry about anything like complex stuff. All the hard work will be done by me. So, I'll be coding along because I'm just bored. So, that's why I'm just gonna be doing it. Alright, so what do we have here today? So we have a coffee shop, a coffee store, however I'm gonna say it. So I've just set up a basic FastAPI. I was trying to do it in a Go, but then I just changed the plan and I wanna make it in FastAPI. And there are lots of things that I'm still figuring out about FastAPI, so I just picked up the best practices. I just picked up a new file structure, so let's see if how it goes. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna show you how far I've gone. So it's in Python way, then I have application. Where is the main file? It's in app, so cd app, then I just run it, just saying FastAPI dev main.py. Oh, sorry, I forgot to activate my virtual environment. Well, with that said, I should be good to go. Let's see. Let's wait. Yeah, I forgot to mention these videos are just totally gonna be raw, that I'll be coding and I'll be facing bugs and all that stuff. So yeah, I won't be editing much in terms of like removing the stuff. I won't become the god that knows everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can see that I have 3 routes here. These are dummy routes. I don't have any database set up. No, database is set up, but not like how I wanted it. The models are set up. Alright, so what do we have today? I want to move into like how do I set up JWT authentication in FastAPI. Oh, auth 2 with password and hashing bureau JWT. Yeah, I would love to do this. Fast free code camp medium. Okay, first let's check out the FastAPI's documentation. So let's clarify. I know PyJWT. There is PyJWT, password hashing, passlib, hash. Okay, here is the example. I want to authenticate and return the user. Fake DB. I want to use a real database. How do they do that? Let's see. Okay. API comes they like some complex features like out of the jungle. Admin panel. Yeah, I really love the admin panel in Django. Okay, so next I'm going to use Replit. That's pretty neat. You can use the setup locally. Yeah, I know I can use Joe's. Okay, I'll be installing this. Like, I know they're legit, so I'm just going to install it. Do I close it? Yeah, I'll close it. Let's just first install our packages. Then the store user, I'm going to use the built-in database. Why? And apply similar operation if you're using any standard database like Postgres. Yeah, I'm using SQLite. Yeah, that's pretty much a file in your file system, but that should do the work. Implementation. I have this full video tutorial. I don't want to see a video tutorial. And FastAPI dependency injection. Send button to handle authentication schemes. Okay, password steps in process. Password hashing, creating and Saying JW tokens, user creation, okay. When they're creating a user with username and password, we need to hash password before storing them in the database. I know. Get a file utils.py in the app directory and add the following function to hash it. Okay, I have a utils folder. So I wanna name a folder file called like what? What should I name it? I can name it like what? Password. Why am I using camel case? Manager.py. I'll use this. Then it says from passlib.context import context. Okay, we're importing stuff. Did I install passlib? Did I choose passlib? Yeah, I should be good to go. Let's see. Context, it's initializing. So password context is context scheme bcrypt. Yeah, we're using bcrypt, and then we're defining two functions: get hash passwords, password return password context hash. Okay, let's write this function. Okay, this is getting the password hash. So password context, it's calling this and it's hashing the password, and it's going to verify the password. So this function is taking the password and the password I'm entering and the hashed password, and it's going to return a bool, and it's going to use the verify function. Okay, that's good. Using passlib to create the configuration context for password hashing. Here we are configuring to use bcrypt. The get hash password function takes the okay, I know how to generate CW tokens. Yep. Section we will write two help functions to generate access and refresh tokens with a particular payload. Later we use these functions to generate tokens for a particular user by passing the user related payload. Okay. So we use this function to generate tokens for a particular user. Okay. Inside the utils earlier following statements. Okay, we are importing some more libraries. Could have imported them earlier. JWT. Okay, add the following constants that will be passed when creating JWT. This is the settings that I used to create when I'm using. Where did it go? When I was making simple JWT, I was using simple JWT on Django, so it's kind of like those settings. So it's familiar. And key can be any string, but make sure to keep them secret and set them as environment variables. Yeah, environment variables. Yep, that's the thing. I didn't save that as environment variables, so now I need to save it. So in app, do I? Or I just give it here? I don't understand. Okay, I'll just give it here. .env. I'll give it here the secret key. JW refresh secret key equals something, and there will be something like JW secret key. Okay, so now we pass something. How do we create random strings using Python? How to create random strings in Python of given length. My, it's quite a long code, and not that much, but I can just give it a try. Okay, I'll just input string and input random. So I'll just open the Python interpreter. Python, open up, import string random. Okay, can I just use comma? Yeah, that works. then I'll just create this line. Did then just print res. Okay, it was pretty small. I need a long one. Let us k equals, I'll give it a 20, I guess. Now I'll print res. Okay, 20 is still small. I'll give it like 60, so it looks like token as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna be giving it like this, and if I do the print, will it be the same again? Yeah, it's same. So I'll give it a what, 70, I guess. So it's a bit longer, but I'll take from here. Just keep it some consistency. So thanks Python, fix it, clear. There might be some other efficient way to create strings, but I'm sorry, I'm dumb. I don't need to anymore. Okay, so here at the following function at the end of the utils, so we're creating this. Let's just first copy and understand each line. Okay, it has a create access token function. It is taking subject, union string and array, expire delta, and integer. Okay, it returns a string. Its expire delta is not none. Expire delta is datetime.etc.now. Is it deprecated? That is now datetime. In class datetime is deprecated. Times an to by calling dot now. So should I just call it groups and datetime in UDC by calling dot now? Should I just say now? Yeah, I just say now and it should work. Okay, expires delta. As it's variable now, first time delta. What is happening exactly here? To encode expire delta sub. I'm not pretty sure, so I'll just first create the access and refresh token, and then it's the same thing, but now I need the explanation. Where do I have the explanation? I don't. The only difference between these two functions is that the expiration time for refresh token is longer than for access tokens. Okay, so I take the payload to include inside the jailability, which can be anything. Usually you would want to store information like user ID here, but this can be okay. So in the end, okay, usually you would want to store information like user ID here, but this can be anything from strings to object. The function returns token as strings. I want user ID. Okay, I'll see. In the end, your utils file should look like this. It does look like this. So how to handle user sign up? Yeah, inside the app.py file, create another endpoint for handling user signups. One should take the username, email, and password as data. It then checks to make sure another account with the email username doesn't exist. Then it creates the user and saves it to database. Okay, pretty neat. So this should be done. So I really don't need any models. That's pretty weird. Alright, so this is the user route. I'm going to create user, so I'm going for the CRUD. Where is it? Here you go, user controller.py. Yeah, this is the function, the create user. we're basically creating a function now. Okay, another endpoint in user signups. The endpoint should take the username. Yeah, it's creating the sign up function. Okay, first it's creating a sign up, summary, create new user, response model, user out. What the hell is response model? There are some things that I don't recognize. Response model, user dot schemas. Hey, where is your schema? By following the docs or use this. Oh, you can simply set up your FastAPI project locally by following the docs or use the replay starter template by, and this template has already got dependencies already installed. Another dependency is ready to install. You're not talking about the schema, are you? Where is the schema? I don't have a schema. Logins, FastAPI. Okay, so should I'll just check medium first. Is this the same thing? No, it's not. Yeah. I did break down. I guess this is a better documentation or blog. This creates an instance of crypto context class specifying the bcrypt hashing algorithm should be used. The deprecate auto, I'm using deprecate auto, right? Here, password manager. Yes, I'm using deprecate auto. Parameter means that if bcrypt becomes deprecated in the future, password will automatically choose a more secure scheme. Cool, right? Yep, it's cool. Hash password, this is the function. Yeah, we have that. Changing how PostgreSQL should be handled, hashing. So this is okay. So no one user performance there. This guy is providing everything, so I just love this. So this is the part that I want to continue. So user controller there, I'm not using here, so I need to get to the routes, user routes. Yep, here in the main file I'm auth, like I need to type it like this. Create user needs to be, how are you setting up? And auth, post request should be handled. It's a post, should handle status code, response model, schemas, dot user output. First things first, I want to give it a sign up route, then status code. I have not imported it. Status code equal to status dot h. Okay, I need to import it, but where do you import it? From where? Okay, I guess I need to look outside. Status import FastAPI status code. Yep, let's see. Status code, just tell me the library, will you? Status code is there, but okay, from FastAPI you just import this API router and you just import status. I'm sorry. Status dot. Sorry. It is not showing up. It should be 200. Okay, maybe. 201 created. Yeah. Then I need the response model schema. Okay, I'll be importing from app.schemas. I have a schemas, right? Yeah, I have schemas. Import user output. Okay, so I'll type in response model. Why? So I need to install it. Well, I need to import it as well. Type import response model. Do I have something like that? Yeah, this is the response model, but they're not importing it. So what's the issue? Nah, bro, they're not using it. I'll just copy it. Equal to user output. That should do. Then the function create user schema. Create user. I need this type of schemas. Here it has the dependencies, like for user schemas dot. No, you don't do that. You just give. You create user and db. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I need db here. The db session local. What the hell is db? Oh, sorry. db session depends get db. This function, I need you there. Obviously. Why would you be here? Yeah, session local base database and something like this. Gotcha. Maybe I can leave it here. db colon. I'll just call session local. No, it's session equals depends. Okay, I'll just copy it. It's giving me a hard time to write it. I don't want to write it, so I need to bring all of them, I guess. Import session depends okay, import depends from FastAPI. it's there, but the session, where do I get this session? Is it in database? I don't think so. This one is session local. Session. Come on. This guy should have just added the whole code, right? Exception status session. Oh, SQL alchemy import session from SQL alchemy.orm import session, and that should be it. Now, where was I was here. Now I need to do this. You know what? This is getting crazy. Like the way you're breaking this in a modular way. I think I'm just complicating stuff. I'll just add it here. Like, screw you. I don't want to use it. So I'm gonna copy it like this, and let's just see what it has to offer. Okay. Hash password, hash pass. Okay, hash pass. Oh, that's the function. That's the function from here, get hash password. So I can get it. From app.utils dot, what was it? Password manager, import get hash password, and the hash pass should be boom. Yes, just like this. And now I want the models dot user. Is there a code that works like that? Nah, bro. It's the login function. I want to see that models. Thing is, I have a different type of structure, I guess. I want this to work. I need to import the model. I see. It means user model. This one. What? This should from app.models import user model. Does it? And now I don't know, man. Okay, so far I know what's doing what. Now this is the schema. I'll just copy and paste the schema for now into the schema. I should be having two files, user create.py and user output.py. What was that? The name? User. Oh, that's create user, not user create. Create user. Okay, so so this is the whole scheme. Oh, now I see. It's just a file. In that case, I guess I'll change the way my code imports. Like, I'll just have a schema of user schema dot py. I'll remove this, right? And then I'll just call dot user schema. Yeah, that pretty much sums it up, because inside this I can just call them the models. Input user model. Yeah, so now I can just create class create user base model email str password str. I need to import base model, but why do you import? Import base model request body, yeah, from Pydantic. Where are you? So here you go. Class user login is gonna be the same thing. Put them there. Class token base model access token and the refresh token, token type, sorry. Class data token base model ID optional string was none. Okay, from typing. Come on. Import optional. Yikes. Class user output is model email str. What the hell is that? ID end created at datetime dot datetime from not from import datetime class config orm mode equals true. So now I need to just get this. What the hell is email str extra models? Oh, it's from Pydantic. I didn't know. Okay, I just got it. Token data. Okay, response. I don't have the user model. Database response. That's fine, but the question is, we will talk more about the token and data token when we reach GWT. That we are essentially doing is that we're telling our API is that we expect a certain type of response in accordance with what we want for such their data validation. Whatever we call Pydantic. I guess I can create the model myself because it's not that, it shouldn't be that hard. It's just an email and password. So model, I forgot how to create the models. User model, yeah, I guess it's there. Model is fine. What I've done, I guess it's fine. I can test it, break it down, postman, and this that. Okay, I'll now just run the code and see what kind of errors I get. Environment, oh sorry, why environment? FastAPI dev slash sorry, I'm sorry, main part. Yeah, let's find some errors. I knew it. Cannot import name create user. Yeah, I'm sorry, the create user has uppercase C. And where did I use it? I use it here. And now this error should be fixed. Now let's wait for another one. The secret key. What the hell is wrong with this? What? I just don't get it. What is the actual error? We can find the key, something like that. Or I just need to make them like, just need to make them this secret key. Okay, I'll check if the error persists. Why I remove those? Just to check if now I get the refresh token error or not. No, it's the same thing, so it's not reading it. So that's the problem. I'll go to password manager and try to print out the values of JWT secret key. If I get it, let's see. Print. What do I get from the printout? Where are you? Okay, there was nothing. Didn't the print work or fire at all? I mean, I don't know. Should I just print? I'll print this string just to see if this prints or not. Anywhere. It starts to be the issue is I can't find any error that's written in plain English. That's your problem. Get this or that. From utils, input hash password. Yes. Okay. Here. What's wrong with that? Key error. Very secret key. Why? Wait a second. In this tutorial, I didn't even need those functions. Is it because of those things? I guess so. I'll remove it for the time being because I'm following another tutorial right now, so I'll just remove it. Try again. Okay, weird enough that started working. Sign up, try it out. So it's just taking email and password, not sorry, I need to take I'm such a dumbass. I forgot about this part. So here is taking you create user. The schema from create user is email and password. It's not taking anything else. I need to pass an ID, which is an int integer. I wanna pass an user ID and in the database, in the models, I don't wanna pass, or maybe I wanna pass, or maybe I can just pass name in the schema, but I don't need to name str. That doesn't hurt, does it? Does it hurt? Let us see. Yep. So it is there. Let's see. Okay, okay. I don't need ID in schema. I'm sorry for this. I really am. I really don't need ID in schema. Get out. It didn't. All right. Should I just string password name? Okay, I'll just execute and let's see. Internal server error. And why is that? @. Okay, great. Email at gmail.com. Execute. Internal server error. Why is that? Parameters. ID, name, email, password, values. Bing. Okay, what's wrong with this? I mean, what do you want? Okay, I'll just finish this application. Startup complete. Whoa, man, I asked you to stop it. I'll just remove it. Let's just see. Okay, I don't need ID that I would be manually putting. I won't manually putting there, so no ID here. Where's the model? Here, the model. Primary key index. Yep, this is here. This doesn't need to be here. I just hope I won't be seeing another. I don't want to see the ID. Yeah, great. So it is updating. String at email.com. Password string, name string, execute, go on. No, why? Missing a field input. What? Field missing. Response created at? How? Let me see. There shouldn't be, like, he's passing, that's the name. The email. Why am I having a, like, created at response? Datetime. I don't understand. What is it? Okay, it's not created. That's the question. Now, I guess. Not like this. Like this, maybe. Should I do this? Will it work? What? I want it to. What the heck? Datetime dot now. Should I just put it now like this? Datetime has not read like now. Okay. I guess I'll go for CRUD. CRUD AI. Pretty basic, I know. output. Why? My bad, but why are you breaking it like this? What's wrong with this shit? I can't edit it. So the issue here is the created at field. The type relation should be datetime instead of datetime. Just really? That works. Let's wait. What the hell is that? Now tell me. Oh, I see. The issue is when troubleshooting a schema for built-in datetime type. There is a type none arbitrary to so types allowed. So I'm doing arbitrary. Why am I allowing arbitrary? Let's try. And again a string error. Missing field. Why? Just tell me why, man. You're not really finding my definition, but rather the data definition. Whipping. Okay, the question is how it's being handled. Here, how are you getting handled with the user model? I'll just pass everything like to see. I'll just pass everything like just to see, check. And it's a really bad thing. I'm sorry. The routes. I'm doing a really bad thing. Replace the FastAPI application with this user functionality is a breakdown. I don't need a breakdown. I need implementation. The error message provided indicates the carrier field is received from the response object, even though it's defined with a well mismatch. You can try converting the data object to a string before return. I'm not even getting the user. I don't really understand. Are we returning anything? New user. Is there anything that I'm doing differently? User model dot user. Yeah. Let's see, what does it say? Okay. So I need to put this from the time input the time. So if I do that, what do I get? Let's read on the server. Let's try our API again. I'm not quite too positive about it. Oh, we really got it. We really did it. That's awesome. So finally we get it. I wanna showcase name, which is a string as well. So can I just show string do at .com. Okay, so the creation works, I guess. Okay, now I want to check, like, if I try to execute the same thing again. Oh, it doesn't check. Yeah, obviously it doesn't check. You haven't checked it, did you? No, you didn't. So where is it? Create user schema. Here, email. So I can just check before that even it starts to hash it. I can just check if user.email how do I check it? How do I query it? I don't know. Okay, I'll check it later. Okay. It's too hot. I'm recording for like almost an hour now. Yeah, it's 1 hour and it's currently 1 hour, so I'm gonna be finishing this today. I'll pick up tomorrow from where I left today. So this was it. I just created a sign off page with some minor bugs. Well, a bit of bugs. It's okay. So yeah, with that said, we can end this video today. I hope to make longer videos, but I'm a bit busy today. So yeah, bye today. I'm saying today word a lot. I'm sorry for that. So I'm sorry. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, I'm extremely sorry for that. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and put down any feedback you had for me. Alright, have a good night, and thanks so much for tuning in. Bye bye.